Miracle in the hadith that proven by science. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "If a fly falls in the vessel of any of you, let him dip all of it into the vessel and then throw it away. For in one of its wings there is a disease and in the other there is healing." This hadith is 1400 years ago, where there were no science and technology. Then today, science proven that the hadith is true. An experiment is by collected for flies, the left and right wings for each were separated. Each fly wing dipped in sterile nutrient media for investigation of microbial presence, bacteria and fungi. After 48 hours, the result proved that the left wings contain bacteria and fungal growth or toxins, but the right wings free of any microbe, and it contains the antidote and antibiotic. Scientists found that the best way to release the antidote is by dip the fly in a liquid because are concentrated on the outer surface of fly wing. Mashallah, that research is in line with the hadith, where the science paper was published. You can check on this one. And this. You can download and read the paper clearly. The science and data don't lie. But if you pretend not to believe, I have no word. May Allah guide us to the straight path and purify our heart.